in downtown St. Pete, Central Avenue area, and we came across this Unibake by Lantmännen. I hope I'm saying that right. And they apparently have an apiary here. This is incredible. Those are bee houses, little...
Yeah, 3 of them, and you can see bees flying around inside of them.
I love it. Huh.
I see 2 things. One says Lantmännen Unibake, and then this one over here says Schulstad Bakery Solutions.
Huh.
And it's in a little locked gate right here.
Yep. No one but the bee people are allowed beyond this
Beyond
gate. Yes,
this point.
It's a honey of an idea, huh?
Yeah, it is a honey of an idea. There's a little information about the queen, the worker, and the drone. It's really nice. You definitely see bees. They're thriving.
So happy. I mean, this is the city. This is the middle of the city. It just shows what you can do.
It's near...
This is actually 3rd and 20th Street, near Central Avenue, downtown St. Pete. But just to kind of give you an idea.
And this is where the old railroad line was.
Yes!
So they've turned it into a biking and running path.
We've seen a lot of people getting healthy, being active, walking along, as you said, biking and stuff. It's a very active community.
Oh, I see where you got beyond this point.
Yes. Bees, like any animal, can be excitable and unpredictable.
Makes me want to watch Seinfeld's bee movie.
Yes.